4:21 in the morning. Today we're going fishing at the Paynes prairie. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I look forward to it.
Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you'll drown it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just got...
How's it going, everybody? I made it to the spot. I am so excited right now. But I'm gonna try and find a spot that doesn't have too many weeds, and you may have to forgive the traffic noise. Yeah, right now it's a full moon. It's pretty cool. Yeah, let's do this. I am so excited right now. Look how beautiful that it is. That is a beautiful sunrise. Well, almost. So gorgeous nonetheless. I am so excited to get my lines in the water. I can barely wait. I hope everyone's having a great morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the sound of these cars. Right now I'm just using a top water lure, a frog. Hopefully I catch something, hopefully something bites. I'm gonna see if I can't catch some bait fish. And I just got swatted by that little tiny frog. It is amazing out here. It is so beautiful. I'll be right back. Right now I'm just casting out, trying to get a topwater bite. Hopefully this gator doesn't mind too much, but hopefully, he's okay with it. Hopefully he doesn't try and go for my lure. He's turning towards it. Alrighty, so far we haven't gotten any bites. Hopefully we will soon though. I think I actually might have one now. Yep, sure enough. Oh, it broke off. Dang. Oh, that was that gator. The gator did that. Look at this. Ah. Look at that. He's right there. Dang. That gator broke me off without a problem. Alrighty, so right now I'm throwing this wacky rig. See if I can't catch anything with it. It's I forget the name of it. Forget the name of the worm. Fish on! Fish on! Holy crap! Oh, it's bowfin! Oh, he snapped me off. Dang. Guess I gotta get some stronger line. Dang. Dang it. Here I've got some shrimp I'm about to put on the hooks. Some whole shrimp, but not the whole shrimp. I'm gonna cut a couple pieces up. So I've got one rod up there, and that rod is fishing the bottom. I've got one rod with a bobber. Both have shrimp. Hopefully we catch something. Look at this snake underneath me. Just sitting here chilling. He comes swimming up underneath me. But hey, I'm in his habitat. Alrighty, so I just wanted to talk about a couple mistakes that I made today. My line wasn't strong enough. That's one mistake. And the second mistake was I didn't use the net to catch that fish because it broke the line. I should have just used the net. It was right behind me. My third mistake was that I did not charge my second camera battery and my camera died. So yeah, but after that I caught a fish. So here's a picture of that.